everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make lemon frosted sugar cookie bars. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First, you need 1.5 cups of butter, and you want that softened, so that's 3 sticks. Then you need 2 cups of granulated sugar, 4 large eggs at room temperature, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. Okay, and for the frosting, we're just going to use a tub of a white frosting, and I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of the lemonade Kool-Aid so they have a lemon flavor. Our oven to 350 degrees, and then I just lined my biggest cookie sheet that I have with parchment paper, but it does have to have a 1-inch side. So mine is, I think, 16 by 12 by 1. So you could do any kind of just bigger sheet pan that you have. All right, next we are just going to go ahead and cream together our butter and sugar until it is nice and combined. So probably about 2 minutes on medium. All right, now I'm adding in my 4 eggs and my 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and I'm just going to mix that to combine. All right, now in a large bowl, you need your flour, your salt, and your baking powder, and you're just going to give that a good whisk so it's incorporated, and then we're going to add that a little at a time into our wet ingredients and just mix it within a mixer. All right, most of my flour mixture is incorporated. The recipe does say not to over mix it, so I'm going to go ahead and do the rest with a spatula just to be sure I don't do that. All right, that's pretty incorporated to me. So next we are going to just press it into our prepared cookie sheet and bake it 15 to 20 minutes. All right, that looks pretty good to me. I'm not going to lie, that did take a little bit of work, but I just put cooking spray on my hands and flattened it out as best I could. So now we are going to get that into the oven, like I said, at 350 for 15 to 20 minutes. All right, my bars have come out of the oven, and I've been letting them cool on a cooling rack for about 20 minutes. They're still warm, but they're not hot. So I'm going to work on my frosting. I have my white tub of frosting here. I'm going to take off the foil at the top and pop that in the microwave for about 20 seconds. All right, I added my 1/4 teaspoon of the lemonade Kool-Aid powder to my frosting, and it just wasn't enough of the lemon flavor, so I added another 1/2 teaspoon, or 1/4 teaspoon, so that's a 1/2 total. And then I added some yellow food coloring just to give it that lemon color. So next I am going to pour this over my sugar cookie bars. All right, I also added some rainbow sprinkles just to make it fun. So now we're just going to let this set up. I might actually pop it in the refrigerator for about 15 minutes just so they're easier to cut. All right, my sugar cookie bars were cooled off. I sliced them into 40 pieces. You can slice them as big or as small as you want. Hold one up so you can see. And I stuck mine in the freezer too, so the frosting would set up and they won't stick together as bad because we are taking these to a party. So we will see what Taste Tester thinks. All right, we got one for Taste Tester. Have a little taste.
Okay. That's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
All right, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Like, subscribe.
Bye.